How to post longer videos on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and on the bottom part you will see, let's go here to your profile icon, and as you can see here, I have recently posted a video. It's actually a 10-minute video. Instagram has this new feature where you can actually post a video, a longer video. So in the past it was around 1 minute something, right? Now it reaches up until 10 minutes. Now to have that feature, then what you can do is to go here to your app store or your play store depending on what device you have, and go to Instagram. Now, since it's a new feature, you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So basically, if it's updated, and since if it's updated, then you can have that new feature where you can post the longer videos on Instagram. Basically, that is how it fixes it since it's a new feature. But if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is to actually go here to your profile again, and then on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there. Tap on that. What you want to do is to go here to your settings and tap on help, and go to report a problem, and report a problem without shaking. Now include and continue and briefly explain what has happened. Let's say um you are done, you can put there you're done already updating the application and you still do not have the new feature of Instagram on posting longer videos, and you have to wait for the Instagram community to get back to you and fix your problem. And basically that is how you post longer videos on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.